Hello everyone. Today I am going to discuss about basic of HTMLs. That I will discuss with you how it works, how web works, what is a web page, and first HTML, basic tags, handy paragraphs, etc. How the web works. www use classical client server architecture. HTTP is text-based request-response protocols. It means if a client sends request to the web server, that responds to the client. But HTTP is stateless transfer protocol. What is a web page? Web pages are text file containing HTML. HTML means hypertext markup language. A notation for describing. Document structure formatting looks like a Microsoft Word document. The markup text provides information about the page content structure. An HTML file must have an .html or .htm file extension. HTML files can be created with the text editors, notepads, wordpads, notepad++, PSPpad, and edit plus, etc. or HTML editors like Microsoft FrontPage, Dreamweaver, Netscape Composer, Microsoft Word, Visual Studio, NetBeans, etc. HTML structure. HTML is comprised of elements and tags. HTML tags, this is begin with HTML, this tag and with /HTML. Element tags are nested one inside another just like this here shown. Tag have attributes. Each tag have its own attributes just like here img tag that have attributes src and alt. HTML describes structure using two main sections, head and body. HTML code formatting. The HTML source code should be formatted to increase readability and facilitate debugging. Every block statement should start on a new line. Every nested element should be indented. Browsers ignore multiple white spaces in the page source, so formatting is harmless. For performance reason, formatting can be sacrificed. This is the structure of HTML page. We start with doctype HTML, then HTML, and head. This is the title. And if we provide any title in the code, it will show in the top of the page and title bar. And body, this in this part, if we write some code or some tags or matters, then it will be shown in the web page. An HTML consists of an opening tag or closing tag and the content inside. Just like this is the opening tag of paragraph tag, and this is the closing tag, and this is the content between the opening and closing tag. Hyperlink tags. Hyperlink tags we can say sometimes it anchor tags. This is used to create link in the web page. This is the syntax of hyperlink tags. Anchor tags. href is used to pass any path of any web page or any website, and we can provide here title, and this is the content that will be shown in the web page. And next, image tag. Image tag is used to import the image in web page. Text formatting tag. Then this is emphasize tag, new line tag, that is called BR or break tag. Some sample tags example. This is the example of HTML page. That this is HTML tag, head tag, body, href, image tag, song tag, body tag, HTML tag. That's it. Tag can have attributes. Attribute specify property and behavior. Example, just like the image tag, src is an attribute of image tag and alt is also attribute of image tag. Key attributes can apply to every element, just like ID, style, class and title. These are the attributes. It is used in every text element. The ID is unique in the document, that is that cannot be repeated in the page. Content of title attribute is displayed as hint when the element is hovered with the mouse. Some elements have obligatory attributes. Heading tag, there are available H1 to H6, 6 type of heading tags. Paragraph text, that is used to create paragraph in the page. Section, div or span, that is used to divide the contents. Heading and paragraph examples, this is H1 opening and H1 closing. This is the example. Heading 1, subheading, this is used. Heading 2, subheading 3, that is used in third type of heading. Here is output, and this is use of paragraph tags, and this is the use of division tag. Introduction to HTML document structure in depth. It is important to have the correct vision and attitude towards HTML. HTML is only about structure, not appearance. Browsers tolerate invalid HTML code and pass error. You should not. HTML document must start with the document type definition, that is DTD. It tells the browser what type is the served code. Possible versions: HTML 4.01, XHTML 1.0, transitional or strict XHTML 1.1 and HTML5. XHTML is more restricted than HTML. Tags and attributes names must be in lowercase. All text must be closed, while HTML allows BR and IMG and implies missing closing tags, that is paragraph tag. XHTML allows only one root HTML element. HTML allows more than one. XHTML versus HTML. Many elements attributes are depicted in XHTML. Most are moved to CSS. Attribute minimization is forbidden. Example: input tag, and that is used for checkbox. Not web browser load XHTML faster than HTML and valid code faster than invalidation. The head section contains information that doesn't show directly on the viewable page. If you want to hide some data, then we write down it in the head section. It starts after the doc type declaration, begin with head and ends with head tag. This is the opening of head tag, and this is the closing of head tag. Contains mandatory single title tag. Can contain some other tags. Example: meta, script, style, that is used for different things. Script is used for scripting language, just like VB-script, JavaScript. Style is used for import link of CSS. That's it. Head section title tag. Title should be placed between head opening tag and head closing tag. Title: Traffic Academy Winter Season 2009-2010. That is example. If we write down any title in the code, then it will be shown in this part of the web page. Used to specify a little in the window title bar. Search engines and properly rely on sites. Head section meta. Meta tags additionally describe the content containing in the page. That is some code about meta. The script element is used to embed script into an HTML documents. Scripts are executed in the client's web browser. Scripts can live in the head and in the body section. Supported client-side scripting language: JavaScript, VB-script, JScript. The script tag example. This is the example of script tag. Here we are using JavaScript, that when we have created a function say hello, and in that function we are going to print a message hello world. Okay. The style element embeds formatting information into an HTML page, that is CSS style. This is the example of style tag. We provide here type equal to double quotation tag / CSS, and that is a part of CSS code. Comments can exist anywhere between the HTML opening and HTML closing tags. Comments start with less than, exclamation, hyphen and end with hyphen greater than. This part will not executed by the browser. Body section. The body section describes the viewable portion of the page. Start after the head and closing of head. Section begin with body and ends with /body. This is the example. Here after head section, body restart, and this is the page body, and closing with /body. Text formatting. Text modify the text between the opening tag and the closing tag. Here we can use these all: bold, italic, underline, sample subscript, sample subscript, superscript, strong, emphasize, formatted text, quoted text, deleted text, etc. Hyperlinks. Link to a document called form.html on the same server in the same directory. Here we are going to call a page that name is form.html by using link tag, or we can say that anchor tag. This is the content field or form that will be shown in the web page. If we will click in that particular content in web page field or form, then it will be called form.html. Link to a document called parent.html on the same server in the parent directory, and it is different type of calling a web page, and we can provide the fully part of the web page. This is the hyperlink examples, hyperlink and sections, hyperlink examples. Inserting an image with IMG tag. IMG tag is used to insert an image in web page. Image attributes that src, alt, height, width, border. We can provide src. We can provide source by using src attribute. Alt is used to display the substitute text for display. Height, we provide height in pixel and width in pixel, and border 0 for no border and 1, 2, 3, 4 as we like. So thank you for today. Next of the part we will discuss after tomorrow. Thank you.